today we are discussing 8th chapter, division of bigger numbers. Okay, division of bigger numbers. We already learned the divisions in 1, 2 digit numbers, right? Now we will learn bigger numbers, 2, 3 digits. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see once you have page number 106, 9th chapter. This is 9th chapter. Division of bigger numbers. Okay, let's see once. Division means sharing or distributing a group of things in equal manner. Division means sharing or distributing a group of things. For example, if your birthday is today, you will dispatch this chocolate to your friends, right? Right? So like that. Division is another name of repeating subtraction. What is division? The another name is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction means, for example, if you are taking 15, okay, if you are taking 15, if you are divide this 15 into 3 groups, okay, if you are divide 3, okay, into how many groups do you will divide that 15? See, 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. So how many times you are divided this? 15 into 3 is 5 times. You are divided in 5 groups, right? Okay, this is a group manner. Okay, that is a group manner, and this is a repeated subtraction. This is a repeated subtraction. The number begin divided is non-dividend. The number begin divided is non-dividend. The number by which another number is to be divided is known as divisor. The result of the division is known as quotient. The number left over after division is known as remainder. For example, take a number 40 divided by 10. Let's take these two numbers and take the division. In this left side bracket is divisor. And this side bracket is quotient. And this one is dividend. What? Dividend. Let's see. What is the answer? The answer is, not answer, remainder. Last one is remainder. Let's take this 40 in dividend place. Take this 40 in dividend place. 40 divided by 10. This 40 is divided into 10. So, this 40 is divided and this 10 is divisor and this 10 is divided. Let's take the 10 and divide into 40. 10 how many times divides the 40? How many times? 10 fours are 40. 10 fours are 40. Let's take 4 in the right side bracket. Take 4 in the right side bracket and 10 fours is how much? 40 is how much? 40. So, next subtract this 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Just take 1 0 and put R. R means remainder. R means remainder. Understood all of you? We have two brackets. This is left side bracket. This is right side bracket. In the left side bracket you write the divisor and right side bracket you write the quotient. And the final is remainder and the middle one is dividend. For example, take one more number. 3 divided by 39. 3 divided by 39. Let's see here how many digits are in divisor place. I already told you this is divisor place. So, what is the divisor? 3. How many digits? It has only one digit, that is 3. Okay. In dividend place also, you should take first one digit. See, this number or same or greater than. Okay, greater than, same or less than. See first. If it is same or greater than, this number will definitely cancel. The below numbers are exactly. If it is lesser number than divisor, it doesn't cancel. In that type of times, you take another number. But here, this number is same than this number, right? These two are the threes. So this 3 is cancelled in 3. How many times? 1 time. So write down the 1 here. Take the 1 in quotient place and write the 3 in dividend place. Let's subtract these two. What you will get? 0. And see here again, what is the number? 3. And see one more digit are there in the dividend. So this 3 is cancelled in 9? No. Or yes? Tell me. 3 reason is 9. Yes? So it will cancel, right? And one more thing you must remember. 3 is greater than 9 or 3 is less than 9? 3 is less than 9. So in every time you check the two numbers. This number is less than this number. It is possible. Okay? So 3 is less than the 9. So this number either exactly or before number will definitely cancel in the tables. See, 3 is first take the number down. You take the arrow mark down and take this number down. 3 how many times cancel here? 3 times. 3 is 9. Take a subtraction. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. 0 is the remainder. What is this? 0. R means remainder. Understood all of you? This sum, is it clear? Once you note down. All of you see this sum. 9 divided by 63. Okay. 9, how many times cancel is 63? Do you got 9 table? Now you tell me. 9 how many times cancel is 63? 9 5 is 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 is 63, right? 9 7 is 63. In the last case, we took two brackets like this. This is also another way of division. Okay, this is also a division. This is another method. Okay, 9 how many times cancel is 63? 9 7 is 63. Right? So 9 and write your quotient in this place and take here 63. Subtract again. 63 minus 63 is how much? Is 0. Okay, these two are same as given. Okay, let's see the second sum. See here, second one. What is the divisor? Is 4. What is the dividend? 847. What is the dividend? 847. Let's see here how many digits are in that number, are in that divisor. Only one digit. That's right. Here also you take only one digit, that is the first left side first digit 8. Okay. 4 is less than the 8, right? 4 is less than the 8. 4 is a small number, 8 is a big number. So this 4 either exactly cancel the 8 or the below numbers will cancel, right? So see here, 4 is cancelled in 8. 8. How many times? 2 times. So write 2 here and 8 here. Next, take a subtraction, write the 0. Next, take another number, that is 4. See here, these two are same numbers. So we don't need to take another number because the two are same. So this 4 is cancelled with this 4. How many times? 1 time. 1 and 4. Subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 4 is again 0. See, take another number, that is 7. This 4 is cancelled with 7. Yes or no? It doesn't cancel exactly. That below numbers will be cancelled. See, 4 is cancelled 7? No. But this is a greater number. 4 greater number, right? So see, 7 below number is 6. 6 before 5. 5 before 4. 4 is cancelled in 4 table? Yes. How many times? 1 time. So take 1 and write 4. In this type of case, see the before number of the given number. See the before number of the given number. Okay. Cancel. Subtract. Answer 3. Any numbers are there in this place? No. That's what you have to do. Reminder. What is the reminder? 3 is the reminder. But here, what is the answer? The answer is, see here. Is equals to, the answer is 211. The answer is 211. Let's see this number. Third one. What is the divisor? 3. What is the number? 986. What is the number? 986. Let's see there. 3 is a single digit. See here also it is single digit. 3 and 9. 9 is a big number, so the exactly or below numbers will cancel. So how many times 3 is cancelled 9? Yes, 3 times. 3 3 is 9. Let's subtract the both numbers 0. Okay, we have 2 numbers more, right? Take a number 8 down. Let's see, 3 is cancelled 8. No. Which number will be cancelled? Before numbers, right? 8 before is 7. 7 before is 6. 6 is cancelled in 3 table? Yes. How many times? How many times? 3 twos. Let's take 2 here and write down the 6 here. Let's subtract the both numbers. You will get 2. You will get 2. 8 minus 6 is 2, right? Let's see. We have one more number that is 6 and write down here. 3 is greater than 2. That's why we took another number. Okay. Let's see. 3 is cancelled with 26. Yes or no? Tell me. No? Then see the below number of 26. The below numbers of 26. Tell me, which number will cancel? 25? No. 24? Yes. 3 how many times cancel 24? 3 6 is 18. 3 7 is how much? 21. 3 8 is 24. So how many times? 3 8 24. Let's subtract these 2 numbers 2 and 2 numbers 0. So the remainder is 2. The answer is equals to 328. This is the quotient. This is quotient. Understood, children? This is your today's class. This type of sums are in your textbook. Okay, thank you.